Dear friends, learning English speaking is a fun. Take it as a fun. ऐसा मत लीजिए कि दिस इज a very difficult job which you cannot do, because whenever we like to learn some new thing, it gives enthusiasm that, oh, this is a new thing I will learn. Some new game comes into existence. You all want to take that game and you want to do it and you want to learn it and practice it again and again. So take English learning speaking as a game, as a fun. Then only you will be able to learn English speaking. Don't be afraid of, because this is a new language for you. This is not your native language. This is a foreign language for all of us. So we have to practice it regularly to learn English speaking. So when we will take anything as a game, किसी चीज को भी हम खेल की तरह या फन की तरह लेते हैं, तो वी एंजॉय इट, वी फाइंड enjoyment in that. So you please try to take enjoyment in learning English speaking. Don't be afraid at all. If you are wrong, no problem. If you are fumbling, no problem. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके आप बोलने लगेंगे और you will be able to speak English in few days. I guarantee it. You please follow my advice for continuous 15 days and then tell me the result in the comments that how much you have learned. Very small sentences. Start from your daily routine, that what you do since morning till evening. Speak those sentences. Or when you go to school, how you go to school, by bus, by scooter, then how you meet your friends, how you greet your friends, what your teacher tells you in the class, what your friends tell you, what you have taken in between in the interval when there is a recess period in the school, what you eat. So all these sentences you go on speaking, go on practicing, then there will be no problem in learning English. So please make it a point, take it as a fun, take it as a game. Don't be afraid of it. Start speaking. And one thing very important, practice it daily. Don't leave practicing it. If you will speak for one day, no result, no positive result will come. If you will continuously speak it 5 minutes daily, it will give very positive results. So if you do for 15 days regularly, you speak 5 to 10 sentences daily, or I will give you some small sentences for practicing someday. So you also find yourself small sentences and start speaking them regularly. Then tell me in the comments how much you have learned. So फिर मिलते हैं. Have a nice day. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it. And bye-bye till then.